Kusenjalo eThekwini kulimale abafundi ababili eNtuzuma eRichmond Farm enyakatho yeTheku emva kokushayiswa iloli kwathi umshayeli walo naye walimala. Abezimo eziphuthumayo basebenzise izindlawu ukumtakula elolini evaleleke ngaphakathi. Okhulumela abezimo eziphuthumayo kwa-EMS KwaZulu-Natal uRobert Mackenzie uyachaza.
The crash involved a truck, a tipper truck that was transporting a load of big stones or like crush. And the truck overturned on a bend on the road and came to rest on its side. The truck did hit two pedestrians who were school children during the crash. However, the children sustained minor injuries and they were taken to hospital by a private citizen before paramedics arrived at the scene. Paramedics found that the driver was entrapped inside of the truck and the jaws of life had to be used to extricate the driver to free him from the wreckage of the truck. Well, I don't know the exact cause of this specific crash, but we do know that the previous reports from previous crashes, we know that drunk driving as well as speed and vehicles not following a safe following distance are the top three causes of crashes in South Africa.